Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. We are almost at 200 subscribers. I just wanted to say a huge thank you and welcome. I do cleaning motivation and decorating. So if you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Today we are doing a deep clean, like spring clean, because I have a huge announcement. Yesterday I signed the papers and I am now a homeowner for the second time. I am moving. I am so excited. It won't be for a while, and I have to sell this house, so my realtor is coming over tomorrow, but I had to get my house spotless, and I'm gonna be packing and showing you guys all of that. I cannot wait to share my new house with you guys. So today I needed to declutter and completely make everything look staged and perfect. So we're doing spring cleaning this year, but also we're doing a little bit of decluttering, and I just thought this was the perfect video to film today. So leave me a comment down below and let's get into it. So this next part is something you've never seen me clean before, and it's on top of my dresser. It usually is a mess, and that's why I don't clean it. I mean, I don't show it. But since we are, everything needs to be perfect, I'm showing myself wiping it on down. And then I will show you in the bathroom. I've never kind of shown you this area, and it's a complete... But basically, this is like my medicine cabinet, and I have just junk that I use on an everyday basis. As you can see, it's really not organized, nor is it pretty, and we need to make my house pretty and presentable. So I'm taking down everything. I'm getting rid of things I don't use. I am an esthetician, so I get a lot of skincare to try out, to tell my clients about, etc. So I wasn't using some, so I'm gonna give that to my sister or donate it to a women's shelter. It's unopened, etc. And then all this like gunk, you know how it is in the bathroom, was just sitting there on the cabinets. So I am just wiping that down and then putting everything back in a presentable manner.
Kissing under street lights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under street lights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
when the sun goes up. It might be the last day of you and me.
Something I'm really excited for is my office in the new house. It's gonna be in the basement. Yes, I have a basement. And my house isn't, like, the house I'm moving to is essentially the house I'm in now, just with the basement, and that adds so much space for me. It allows me to have a separate, like, place for my vanity, and I'm gonna have like a little dressing room, and then a guest bedroom, and then I will also have a office down in the basement where I can have all my books, because right now I don't have enough space for all the books. I am also a young adult novelist. You can read some of my free work down in the description box below if you would like to, but I love my books and I love a good home library, so I'm excited to have all the space for all of that to look really nice and pretty. Again, I'm just excited to have storage. I'm gonna have like a storage room. I won't have to go up into my attic to get everything when it's seasonal, and I'll be able to have my Christmas tree up again. Last year I wasn't able to do a Christmas tree simply because I did not have the room or the space to put up one, but now I think I will, and I'm just so excited, and I can't wait to give you guys more details.
If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dream. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dream. Oh, if I could.
Okay, does anybody else's vanity look like a hot mess like this? Because I swear I'll just take everything out when I do my makeup, and I know I have that cosmetic bag, I know I have this beautiful vanity, it just always gets to be a mess, so I'm putting everything back where it needs to be, and then I'm going to be cleaning my makeup brushes with the Perrine Spirit brush cleaner. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. last thing I'm gonna do is wipe down my vanity mirror. This is the Riki Loves Riki mirror, and I adore this vanity mirror. It's great, highly recommend. But that is it for this video. I am so excited to give you guys some more content this summer, and let me know in the comments below and what you guys have questions on, and give this a like if you're excited to see the new house. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.